Wealth Wisdom Unlocked. Embark on this transformative journey where the keys to financial empowerment and insightful living await you. This enriching exploration goes beyond conventional notions of wealth, guiding you to uncover the profound wisdom that shapes lasting prosperity. Let's discuss how wealth paves the way to a more enlightened and abundant life. Number 1. Wisdom is wealth of the mind. Unlocking the door to true wealth begins with cultivating the rich soil of your mind. It's the invaluable treasure trove that transforms your mental landscape into a flourishing garden of possibilities. Every nugget of insight, each lesson learned, is a seed planted, destined to sprout into the abundance of a prosperous mindset. Embrace the continuous journey of acquiring wisdom. It is the foundation upon which wealth is constructed. As you water the garden of your mind with knowledge and experience, you nourish the roots of prosperity. Remember, in your thoughts, the harvest is boundless and the fruits of wisdom yield the sweetest rewards. 2. Wealth is about who you become. True wealth is measured not only in material possessions but in the person you become on the journey to acquire it. It is the evolution of character, the refinement of resilience and the sculpting of a mindset that sees opportunities where others see obstacles. The pursuit of wealth is a transformative journey, shaping you into a person capable of turning dreams into reality. Each challenge faced and overcome, every lesson learned along the way, contributes to the richness of your character. In the realm of wealth, the true treasure lies in the discovery of your own potential. As you strive to become the best version of yourself, it unlocks the doors to prosperity, paving the way for a future filled with abundance and fulfillment. 3. A wealthy mindset attracts abundant opportunities. Picture your mind as a magnet, attracting opportunities with the force of your thoughts. A wealthy mindset is a magnetic field that draws abundance into your life. When you cultivate a mindset of positivity and possibility, you create a powerful attraction for opportunities to manifest. Embrace the belief that the universe is abundant, and your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. As you focus on abundance, you naturally draw in the wealth of opportunities that align with your aspirations. Remember, the more you feed your mind with positive energy and a belief in limitless possibilities, the more the universe conspires to bring forth opportunities that align with your vision of prosperity. A wealthy mindset goes beyond financial gain. It is a state of being that permeates every aspect of your life. It influences your relationships, career, and overall well-being. The energy you emit through your thoughts and beliefs creates a ripple effect, attracting like-minded individuals and circumstances into your orbit. As you embrace a mindset of abundance, you not only invite financial opportunities but also cultivate a life rich in experiences, joy, and fulfillment. Your mindset acts as a powerful magnet, drawing in the wealth of diverse opportunities that contribute to a holistic and prosperous life. 4. Plant the seeds of wisdom today, harvest the fruits of wealth tomorrow. The journey to wealth is a cyclical process of sowing and reaping, where wisdom serves as the seeds for a bountiful harvest. Every decision, every action, is a seed sown in the fertile soil of your future. Nourish them with continuous learning, resilience, and a positive mindset. As you patiently tend to your mental garden, the roots of wisdom grow stronger, ensuring a robust and plentiful harvest in due time. The journey to wealth is about the continuous cycle of growth and abundance that unfolds as you plant and nurture the seeds of wisdom along your path. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. 5. Learning is the investment that pays the best interest. In the realm of wealth, the most lucrative investment you can make is in yourself through continuous learning. Knowledge is the currency that appreciates over time, yielding the best results. As you invest in acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge base and gaining valuable insights, you are building a wealth of capabilities that no market can devalue. Learning opens doors, creates opportunities, and propels you forward on the path to success. Treat each lesson as a valuable asset, and watch as your investment in education pays dividends in the form of personal and financial growth. In the journey of wealth creation, the more you learn, the richer you become. 6. Wealth is the result of daily habits infused with wisdom. Wealth isn't an endpoint. It's a journey shaped by the daily habits you cultivate, each infused with the wisdom you accrue over time. Consider your habits as the stepping stones toward financial success. Every deliberate action, no matter how small, is a stride towards prosperity. Wisdom lies in acknowledging the potency of consistent positive habits. By integrating wisdom into your daily routine, you set the stage for a future teeming with abundance. Embrace habits aligned with your financial goals, and witness their cumulative impact over time, propelling you towards the wealth you envision. 7. Wisdom appreciates in value with the passage of time. The lessons learned and experiences gained contribute to the accumulating wealth of wisdom. Unlike material possessions that may depreciate, wisdom becomes more valuable with the passage of time. Each challenge confronted and hurdle overcome adds richness to your life's tapestry. Embrace the continuous journey of learning and self-discovery, and you'll find the wisdom you gather becomes an enduring source of strength and guidance. As time unfolds, so does the appreciation for the profound wisdom that shapes a fulfilling and prosperous life. 8. A heart rich in compassion is a wealth that transcends material abundance. Genuine wealth extends far beyond material possessions, delving into the depths of the heart. A heart enriched with compassion transcends the boundaries of material abundance. As you cultivate empathy and kindness, you not only contribute to the well-being of others but also enrich your own life. Compassion is a currency that knows no inflation. The more you share, the more it multiplies. In the understanding of true wealth, compassion forms an integral thread in the intricate fabric of fulfillment and interconnectedness. Embrace the belief that your ability to make a positive impact on others is a wealth that surpasses monetary value. The richness of compassion lies not in its scarcity but in its boundless capacity to uplift and connect. In the tapestry of true wealth, the threads of compassion weave a story of empathy, unity and shared humanity. Acknowledge that your capacity to make a positive impact, to understand and support others, is an invaluable form of wealth that transcends the tangible. As you cultivate a heart rich in compassion, you contribute not only to your personal prosperity, but also to a collective wealth that fosters a more compassionate world. 9. Wisdom guides you through life's opportunities. Life is an intricate journey filled with opportunities, and wisdom serves as your guide. As you navigate through the twists and turns, let the light of wisdom guide your path. It empowers you to recognize opportunities even in challenges, making informed decisions that lead to prosperity. Trust in the wisdom you've gained, and let it lead you in the pursuit of success. Embrace the opportunities that come your way, knowing that each decision influenced by wisdom propels you closer to the wealth you envision. Don't make it just a passive observer, but an active participant in the opportunities life presents. It is the discerning voice that steers you towards choices aligned with your goals. Through the lens of wisdom, challenges become stepping stones, and opportunities emerge in unexpected places. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and the application of wise insights as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of life's opportunities. 10. True wealth is measured in moments of joy, love and laughter. Material possessions may fade, but the memories created in moments of happiness are enduring treasures. As you embark on your wealth journey, prioritize experiences that bring genuine joy and foster meaningful connections. Cherish the laughter shared with loved ones, the warmth of love, and the simple joys that make life extraordinary. Recognize that true wealth is not just about financial abundance, but the richness found in life's most beautiful moments. In life, the notes of joy, love and laughter compose a melody that resonates far beyond monetary value. These moments are the true measure of your wealth, forming a treasury of memories that endure the test of time. Embrace the understanding that the true essence of wealth lies in the experiences and connections that bring fulfillment and lasting happiness. Wealth Wisdom Unlocked is a beacon of financial enlightenment that beckons individuals to discover the profound interplay between wisdom and wealth. By shifting the focus beyond traditional measures of prosperity, This transformative journey opens doors to a more holistic understanding of abundance. The program's core tenet lies in the recognition that true wealth is not solely monetary. It is the harmonious integration of financial acumen, mindful decision-making, and a rich tapestry of life experiences. As participants navigate the principles outlined, they unlock the potential to cultivate a resilient mindset capable of navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. This serves as a guide, unveiling the secrets to not just accumulating wealth but also sustaining it through informed choices, strategic planning, and a balanced approach to life. The unlocking of this wisdom isn't merely a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that empowers individuals to adapt, grow, and thrive in the ever-evolving realm of personal finance. In essence, Wealth Wisdom Unlocked invites individuals to redefine their relationship with wealth, viewing it not only as a means to financial security but as a tool for personal and societal well-being. As you embrace the teachings, embark on a journey that goes beyond the accumulation of riches, fostering a legacy of enduring prosperity built on the pillars of wisdom, resilience, and a mindful engagement with the world.